Hi, I'm Larry Helwig. I'm the owner of Clearskin Institute. Scarlet is a microneedling radiofrequency device that we bought 6.5 years ago. And we found that we were so busy with it that within 12 months we had to get a second one. So we do a lot of Scarlet. In fact, it has been our #1 revenue generator for the last 3 years. So we do a lot of them. What do we use it for? Everything, pretty much head to toe. We do face, neck, arms, legs, butt, thighs, you name it, we do it. We even do the bikini area for tightening and lifting. And we've had tremendous success with it, and our staff love it. And they love it because there's no downtime. So we can do one treatment or a series, which we normally do a series of treatments, about a month apart on patients, and they can go about their business the next day or even that day without any difficulty at all. No one even knows they had the treatment. So we use exosomes with the treatment, following the treatment, and any redness or whatever clears up almost immediately. So we're excited about the Scarlet because of all the things. So we do texture, we do tightening, we do lifting, you can do scars, stretch marks, so pretty much anything from head to toe. It's usually about a 30-minute treatment from start to finish, and it's a tremendous revenue generator because the patients like it. They'll come back and have more of them. And we charge about $900 to $1,000 a treatment. And each one, again, about 30 minutes in length. And again, people love it. The technicians love it because the patients love it. So, one thing leads to another, and all of a sudden you find yourself being very busy with the device, but it's not a painful treatment. They go through it without any difficulty at all. And we do use numbing cream. We want them to be comfortable with it, but again, it's very, very easy to do. I would say our best results are for contracting tissue and lifting tissue. So we do a modified breast lift where we're bringing the tissue up. We do the exact same thing on the buttocks, but you can do anywhere on the body and it makes a nice difference. Dr. Na is the creator, inventor of Scarlet, and he is known worldwide as a dermatologist and PhD, and he is really into the whole anatomy, physiology of what's going on. And what he did is he created a very unique needle. And that needle delivers the energy in a way that it comes out very much like a teardrop. And so you're not worried about insulated, not insulated needles, anything like that. It is a non-insulated needle that will deliver the energy and come up to the epidermis as a teardrop. And so you're covering everything, and the needles are the distance apart so that you get a beautiful overlay of the energy without ever having too much energy in one particular spot. So he was quite a genius the way he developed it and what it does, and we love it. So it's worked very, very well no matter what we do with it or on the side. It is very beneficial all the time. I can't help but recommend it to everyone that's in the industry, because all of a sudden you have a tool that your staff, so again, it's delegatable. Your staff can be doing this. They can be doing it all day long from head to toe. So anytime you have a device like that, that's easy to do, it is quick, it is not painful, has no downtime, it's a win-win. The ROI on it is also very strong. So for any office, you're going to benefit from that.